Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting opportunity that allows you to monetize your content with Filmora. If you're looking to turn passion into profit, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to apply for Filmora's Creator Monetization Program. Let's begin. Now, I'll leave the link below in the description, but the link takes you to the Creator Monetization Program for Wondershare Filmora. Now, from here, you'll see Creator Monetization, monetize your videos with Filmora Creator Monetization Program, and you can see you can earn up to 50% with a base commission rate of 30%. So if I scroll down slightly, you can see the different options, even the commissions based on if it's Filmora for desktop or for mobile. And you can see all the important things. So you sign up, you apply, you start earning. So let's do that. And I'm going to just click on the apply now button here. I'm going to click on that. And what this does is it takes you to the impact page for Filmora. So the Filmora Creator Monetization Program, we've partnered with Impact to provide you with a market leading performance advertising program. So it takes 5 minutes to complete. Just click on sign up. And then you'll see the contract terms available here. You can go through them and you can see the revenue range. That is 35%, 40, 45, 50. So you can see how much you can earn, how long it takes to lock after somebody purchases, 27 days, payout, 25 days after end of month they lock. So those are things you need to know. Then you can see the different options available here. So just go through the terms and conditions, scroll down to the end, and you can see the please do not do, for example, all those different options right there. If you like what you see, then all you need to do is just click on accept. Now, the reason why you're not seeing the fill-in details for signing up for a new account is because I already have an Impact account and I'm already logged in. So that's there. Now, once you click on accept the terms and conditions, you need to wait. So Filmora is going to manually review your contract and you're going to receive an email for contract application. Hi David, your request to promote Shenzhen Wondershare Software Company Limited's program Filmora has been sent. You may view all your pending contracts by clicking on the button below. So you can always click on the pending contracts. Now, you're not going to start earning just yet until you're approved. So you have to be patient. So after a couple of days of reviewing and all that, you're going to get a welcome to Filmora Creator Monetization Program. Dear Bogua, congratulations, you're now officially part of Filmora Creator Monetization Program. We are so excited to have you on board. So this is what is available. You can see what's new and then the different options and how to get your tracking links and so on and so forth. But right there, we've just signed up for the Filmora Creator Monetization Program. We've been approved and now it's time to start earning some money. In the next video, I'll show you how to start earning with Filmora's monetization program. Stick around and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.